Welcome to WebStarPress. How to install an npm package from GitHub directly. You can use something like npm install github username / repository name. Like you can see for this Lodash GitHub repository. Lodash is username and Lodash is repo name. So you can use this format or this format npm install repos https URL in quotes and then -- save. And for a specific branch, commit or tag from that repo, you can append hash branch name, tag name, or commit name in front of URL. Like this npm install github username / repository name hash branch name. Or npm install this URL hash branch name and then -- save. And this whole URL will be in inverted commas or quotes. Okay, so let's install Lodash in this way. So npm install github -- Lodash. After installation, the package will be added to your node_modules directory and listed in your package.json file. But please note that not all packages can be installed from GitHub like this. So this was installed. Let's verify it. Here's the package.json file, and you can see in the dependencies, we've got Lodash installed from GitHub. Let's try this and see if it works. Let's import Lodash. Here's the data array with some elements or items. Let's divide this array into chunks of 2. So Lodash chunk array name 2. We'll use map method and then we'll join the chunk. So here these are. We've got 3 chunks. Each chunk has got 2 items. Array has been divided into chunks of 2 items. In each chunk, we have 2 items. So this is working. So this is how you can install a package from GitHub or package from specific branch from GitHub directly using npm. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.